Welcome everyone to our new video here in Patara Sand Dunes in the Chimaera Mountain. We will be introducing you our new friends Le.Truck later in the video. Hope you enjoy! Here we went tobogganing for the first time in a while. This to me was the best sand tobogganing in the whole trip, because all the hills are much bigger and giving me and Max more speed.
How'd you do, Max? How'd you do?
All of our holes are like bullets.
Are you dead, man?
At the end of tobogganing, we became very tired after climbing up the hills. We decided to head back to YOLO to rest for a bit. After we rested, we went for a walk in the sand dunes. We enjoyed the view and fought against the strong wind. The sun started to set as we watched the amazing view it gave the world. This is one of our best sunsets we have seen. We started running back to YOLO because the wind was getting stronger, making it cold outside. We woke up in a new beach with our new friends, Le.Truck. They are an English family of 4 named Laura, Nathan, Ava, and Sam. They have been on the road for almost 2 years, just like us. Ava is 6 and Sam is now 9 years old, around Max's age, so the 2 boys played very well together.
Hi Max.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are in Turkey hiking to Eternal Flame.
Eternal Flame?
So the earth, it spews out this gas that's flammable, and that fire has been going on for like hundreds of years because of that gas. And yeah, we're gonna go roast marshmallows on that fire.
Okay, so we're gonna see this fire that's naturally made.
Yeah.
From this weird gas coming out of the mountain.
Yeah.
We've been noticing these garbage cans on the side marked with a number. That's how many meters we have left until the top, right Daddy? So we're 350 meters to the top. 300 meters. Right now we're just taking a break on the 250 meter to the top mark.
Every time it gets too real, and every time I feel. To get to the Eternal Flame, you need to do a 1 kilometer hike. The hike isn't too bad. Oh, and every time I push away, I really want to say
100.
But I say nothing. I want to stay the whole night.
My dad says he sees the eternal flame. Can't see it yet. Oh, I see it.
Finally, made it to the top.
There's fire there.
We are planning to roast some marshmallows, so we are scouting around for the best fire to do so. We found the fire pit we wanted. All we have to do now is get our roasting sticks, whittle them, and make the tip pointy, so then we can get our marshmallows. We are finally roasting our marshmallows. Just to let you know, these are our Canadian marshmallows that we love. We have been rationing these for a while. Now we are ready to use them up.
Hello everybody, I am going to make my s'more. I have so far proven myself with my great s'more I made for my dad and another great s'more I made for my mom. So I'm gonna make one for myself and see if it's really that good. It's turning brown. Okay, now this is my s'more. It's all puffy everywhere except for the part where with the stick is still white, but that doesn't really matter. All that matters is the rest of the part is brown, and it's time to eat it.
Right now we are just leaving the fire gas place. So yeah, right now we are leaving just right before it gets really dark, so we have enough light to get down.
We found this sleeping spot a few minutes away from Mount Chimaera. We met up with our Canadian friends Bohemivan here. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. See you next week!